After no headway in 7 core commander level talks in Ladakh, India and China seem to be moving close to a breakthrough over disengagement along the LAC. The modalities in the direction are to be finalized in the coming days. The two sides issued a joint statement after 8th round of talks that took place in Trishul on 6 November. Both India and China have agreed to implement consensus to ensure frontline troops to exercise restraint. The two sides have also agreed to maintain dialogue and communication via military and diplomatic channels. They have also agreed to have another meeting very soon.
भारत और चाइना के बीच में लगातार वार्ता का दौर जारी है। 8वें दौर की ये जो बातचीत हुई है, इसमें भारत ने साफ उनको कहा है कि पहले चाइना अपनी सेना हटाए वहां से, क्योंकि चाइना का हमेशा ये रहा है 1962 से लेकर के आज तक, वो उसकी करनी और कसनी में अंतर रहता है। इसलिए भारत उनको पूरी तरह से जवाब दे रहा है और भारत एक मजबूत शक्ति के रूप में उभरा भी है, इसलिए चाइना को भी डर है।
The 8th rounds of talks between the core commanders of India and China has finished, and there has been some broad agreement on disengagement. And in the first phase, they proposed that armor and artillery would be withdrawn. But Indian Army is still cautious because they know that China always backtracks on all its assurances and agreements. And till such time, China does not withdraw out from there first, Indian Army is not ready to accept China at its face value.
Let's get you a sense of the kind of talks that have happened between India and China and whether there has been a plausible resolution coming out of any of them. So far, there have been 8 rounds of talks that have taken place between the two countries since the standoff took place in Ladakh. Let's now understand the outcome of these 8 rounds of talks. On June 6th, first round of Lieutenant General talks were held. Both the sides agreed on pulling troops back. Then on 22nd of June, let's pull that out for you, the second round of Lieutenant General talks were held right there. It was an 11-hour meeting with consensus to disengage. Then on 30th June, there was a third round of the Lieutenant General talks that were held, and Pangong Tso emerged as the biggest flashpoint between both the sides. Then came 14th of July, where the 4th round of commander-level talks took place. Disengagement on Pangong and Depsang were discussed in these talks. Then came 2nd August. 5th round of core commander-level talks were held. Pangong Tso still remains the friction point between the two sides until round 6 of the core commander talks that were held on 2nd September. Both the sides agreed to stop sending more troops to the line of actual control. The 7th round of core commander level talks were held on 12th of October. India has remained firm on early and complete disengagement at the line of actual control. On 6 November, which is very recently, the 8th round of core commander level talks were held. Both the sides agreed on ensuring disengagement at the line of actual control.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.